After you've selected a color, you've got to figure out how much paint to buy. It's important to purchase enough paint to complete your project, but without a large amount of leftover product. To estimate the amount of paint needed for your project, follow the steps in this section or visit Behr.com to use the handy paint calculator. 1 gallon of exterior Behr Premium Plus Ultra Paint Primer in 1, or Behr Premium Plus Paint, is enough to cover 250 to 400 square feet of surface area with 1 coat. Quarts are available if a smaller amount of product is needed, and 5-gallon pails are available if you are painting a very large area. Many factors determine the number of coats it will take to cover your existing surface. You may require more paint if you're painting a porous surface, a rough or textured surface, a previously unpainted surface, or if you're making a dramatic color change. Choosing a deep or intense color may require multiple coats or the use of a tinted primer. Behr colors that require a tinted primer or multiple coats are marked with a symbol on the color chip. You may require less paint if you are painting a smooth surface, a primed or sealed surface, if you are not making a dramatic color change, or have a house with many unpaintable features such as window panes or decorative stone. Your application method will also affect the amount of paint needed. To estimate the size of the house body, first measure the perimeter of the house. The perimeter of this house is 128 feet. Next, measure the height of the house from the foundation to the roof line, excluding gables. The height of this house is 18 feet. Now, multiply the perimeter of the home by the height. An average window is 15 square feet, and an average door is 20 square feet. You can subtract doors and windows from your wall area calculation for a more accurate estimate. If you have gables, multiply the width of the gable by its height and divide by 2. Do this for each gable. Add this to the body measurement. Remember, each gallon of paint will cover roughly 250 to 400 square feet. To put 2 coats of paint on this smooth siding, we'll need 12 gallons of body color. As a rule of thumb, you'll need 1 gallon of paint for trim and gutters per 8 gallons of body paint. If you'd like to be more precise, measure the linear feet of gutter on your project. Each linear foot of gutter is approximately 1 square foot. In this example, there are 200 feet of gutter. If you are painting the trim the same color, add or estimate all the length of trim for your entire house for a total length. For example, you might have 450 feet of trim of various types. One estimate of trim width is 6 inches wide or half a foot. Your trim may be wider or narrower, but this will provide an estimate. Multiply your total trim length by 0.5 feet. This house has approximately 225 square feet of trim. Add the trim and the gutter calculations together. This house has a total of 425 square feet. So we'll need 2.5 gallons of paint to put 2 coats on the gutters and trim. Doors are easy to estimate. Multiply the width by the height for the number of square feet. This door is 7 feet by 3 feet, or 21 square feet. So 1 quart is enough paint to apply 2 coats to both sides of the door. This is the basic information you'll need for determining how much paint to buy. Remember, as a shortcut, you can also use the handy online paint calculator on Behr.com.